Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video guys, I want to share with you my day in life. So please subscribe, like and comment, and let me know where you're watching from. So guys, as you're watching me cleaning, I just want to give you a story. Okay, hey hustlers. So guys, it's story time. The first time I traveled in Saudi Arabia, I didn't know, I wasn't ready. Yeah, I would say I wasn't ready, but ready as well. I don't know, because I was scared, have rumors, so I was scared also, of course, but I didn't know exactly what I was scared of. But the more I was getting scared, the more I was getting the more I wanted to try. The more I wanted to try to see it myself, what they are talking about, is it true? I wanted to try it myself. And guys, guess what? Everything that we are saying, some were true, but some were not true, because I think, for me on my side, I think coming abroad is your own will. Okay, once you want something, you will achieve it, and you have to be smart. Working abroad, you have to be smart. You have to fight, you have to know everything, you have to fight for yourself, not just sitting there and you're just sitting you're waiting for someone to take care of you. You have to take care of yourself. And guys, since I had that mindset in my head that I have to be like this, I have to be like this, everything went well. My first year, it wasn't easy. I cried in silence, I suffered, I missed my home, but guess what guys, I succeeded, because I finished my 2 years contract without even knowing. Crying abroad is normal, because even right now I'm still crying, and sometimes you're crying, you find yourself crying, but you can't even explain why you're crying. Okay, I mean, if you have any relative abroad, if you have anybody abroad, you can ask. They will tell you people find themselves crying, but they don't know, or they can't even explain why they are crying. Okay, so it happens really in this life, our life abroad. Okay, so guys, that's how I ended up with 2 years, 3 years and more, just to be strong. Since you have something, since you have goal, you need to be with your goal for you to succeed here in abroad, especially in UAE countries. I mean, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai. You have to be with your goal. If you don't have a goal, you will end up crying, and you will end up going back home without even noticing. Okay, this one, the one you're watching me doing, is one of my schedules. It is happening once in a while. Some of them it is a daily life, but sometimes the general cleaning is happening once in a while. Okay, so guys, as you can see, people are going through a lot, and here I'm just asking our people out there, if you know your person is abroad and you're thinking, oh, maybe he's just sleeping and wake up on her bedside, have already a sack of money, of dollars. No, the life really is hard. Life is not easy at all, especially my sisters who are in the house, that they cannot even speak out, that they cannot even cook. You can find someone in the house, they don't allow her to do anything, like in the kitchen stuff, they don't allow her to touch anything. So it's like they are just disgusting of you. It's not easy. So guys, if you're there, you have your relative, just be patient. if she or he have something, will give to you. But if don't have, please don't blame people, don't curse them, don't really, especially in curses, people are cursing. Oh, you don't want to give us your money, you don't want to do like this, oh, you will be like this, you will not get anything. Something like that is really happening, and I'm just telling you guys, it's not really nice. So guys, right here I was about to end this because it was already late and I had to cook. It was a baking day as well, so I had to end everything and I switched to baking. Guys, you see, after like immediately after, from there inside cleaning, I went in the kitchen and I started baking. By this time I wasn't even ate my breakfast, but it was my fault because I wake up late. So by doing this, after this, I got sometimes and I eat my breakfast. Working far from home it's really important sometimes because it can trigger your brain, like you're learning something new that you didn't even know, that maybe one day I'll be doing this, like this one about baking. The time I came in Saudi Arabia, I didn't know anything about baking, but right now it is my favorite part. I like baking because, you know, if you're doing something and that thing, it comes out really good, you're happy, okay? You're happy. So guys, I'm okay. I'm really happy that at least I've learned something. I learned a lot of things that I didn't know before in my country, and really I appreciate my coworkers, my bosses. Really, they did a lot of okay, I just want to say it's such a good job. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, when I finished to do my dough, so when I was done with my dough, I started making my breakfast. I prepared some oats. I like eating oats breakfast, and I'm always adding dates. Instead of adding sugar, I'm adding milk and dates, and that's all. So guys, that's how I make my oats, just in case. I like eating it that way. This is one of the reasons why I like baking. Whenever I see the dough raised up like that, I just feel happy. I don't know why I'm happy, but I just feel like I did something good. So as you can see guys, I love baking. I have a lot of reasons, but that is my friend just saying hello. No, she's naughty. So guys, if you know you're here in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, anywhere, try to learn something new, because maybe something that you learn here for free, tomorrow or one day it may bring some income for your family. I know guys, cooking is not easy, but for me I decided at least to learn something new, especially baking. When I was watching some videos, I was like, maybe it is easy, but when I tried, it wasn't easy at all. But right now, I may say it is so easy since I have some knowledge about it. So guys, how do you feel when you do something and it came up nicely, or the way how you were expecting? How do you feel? For me, I feel happy. That makes me happy that I don't even feel tired because I love what exactly I'm doing. And here guys, it was oven time already. I love that period also because I am enjoying watching something popping up. You see, as you can see guys, I love that moment. So my bread was already done and I was about to end my day because this is one of my work that was remaining. So once I was done with this, I will call it a day. So guys, at this moment, if there is someone on WhatsApp saying hi, hello, how is your day, I can explain how was my day exactly. As you can see, I was happy even though I was tired, but I was happy because I love what I'm doing. I love this kind of bread and everyone here loves this kind of bread. So if you're there and you're interested, I have here, if you are interested in this, I have the recipe of this bread. On the top we are coating it with honest milk, and guys, this one is so yummy. Oh god, it's so beautiful. As guys you can see, it was ready to serve and to eat. After that, I decided to blend some juice for myself. Of course, I was thirsty. I'm from oven. I had to. So guys, I love this lemon. It's not lemon. I love this melon, the sweet melon juice, especially when it is frozen fast. And after that, I cooked my lunch and I ate. And right here, I started watching my dramas, and then I call it a day. Thanks guys for watching. I love you. Bye.